The feedback from our customers in Mongolia, China, a complete set of cooking oil production line installation and test operation sites. Small-scale batch-type cooking oil refining machine, including for stages of dewaxing, deacidification, decolorization and deodorization, which can remove various impurities and turn crude oil into edible oil that meets national standards. You can customize the cooking oil production line according to your needs. For more information, please contact us at any time.